Turn the camera back on. Sell the stock now. The drive-thru's closed. How in the world are we supposed to? They're messing with the stock price.
Low coastal clouds will be rolling in later tomorrow.
Ooh, yeah. Acted kinda innocent this morning. You don't wanna talk it out. I agree the talking feels boring.
We came up here to check on our investment, but unfortunately it's drive-through only. So SBUX is a stock we recently picked up, ticker symbol SBUX. And here's the thing, with the world opening back up from the pandemic, what I like about SBUX is people are gonna drink coffee, and if people are going back to work, it's part of their morning commute, it's part of the coffee that they drink on a lunch break. All the things, they need their coffee before they get the day started. So if they survive the pandemic, if the stock, I should say, and the company survived the pandemic just through drive-through and just through takeout, what can the company do once the world opens back up? People are back on the road, drinking their coffee, going through the drive-through, on the way to work, and on the way back home, in addition to buying their little K-cups and all the other stuff. So I like the position we have. Here's the other thing that's cool about SBUX. You won't wake up the next day and hear some drama out of SBUX for the most part. You won't wake up tomorrow and hear like inflation on coffee. People are gonna pay the extra 50 cents or whatever it is to drink their cup of coffee. I don't think we source the beans from China, so there's no issue there with bringing the coffee beans in from China. So bottom line, I think it's a safe investment, which is why we're long SBUX, actually the options and not the stock. So we thought we'd be able to go in, take a look at our investment, but we're gonna do it drive-through style. So let's go through, let's order something, and let's thank the people who are helping us make some money. The drive-through closed too?
That's what the lady just said. She just pulled up and
Turn the camera back on. Sell the stock now. The drive-thru's closed. How in the world
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just...
are we supposed to? They're messing with the stock price. What? Is it just this location?
What's the day? Temporarily changed.
All right, we're going to a different location. Maybe this was a fluke. Oh man. So for some odd reason, this location is closed, but we're gonna go part 2 and check on our investment because that's what a real owner would do. You like, okay, one of my stores is down, how are my other stores doing? So that's what we're going to do. Here's the takeaway, true talk. What you wanna do is think about your portfolio like SBUX. Even though one is closed, it's a franchise. So we about to swing over to another one, check it out, see if they're open. But it's kind of like your portfolio. You don't necessarily want to be all in on one stock, because what happens if they're closed? Or what happens if they're down for the day or the month or the year? That's going to affect your entire portfolio because all you got is that one stock. And so hopefully when we get to the next one, they're open and it's like, okay, we got one location down, but we got millions of locations that's open. And again, that's one of the things I like about the business. If one is down, we can shoot over here to another one. And most people know where the other location's at. Like we can run over to Target and run in there and get some SBUX, but we're gonna shoot up here to a standalone store. So think about your portfolio the same thing. If one of your stocks is down, can your account survive? Can your portfolio still make money? I'm getting on the phone with the CEO. I want to know what's going on with my investment. Why we not open today? Hey, people own a little stock, think they really running something. Okay, we got action. This is how you check on your investments. Looks like the inside open. Line is wrapped. That's what we like to see on our investments, okay? All right, good thing. Order all the coffee, people. Feeling good about this one. We were a little disappointed at the first stop. We're about to go inside, check out our investment. And hopefully they don't put us out and be like, why y'all recording? All right, everything looking good, nice and clean. I like it. Everybody looking real friendly. Got the pandemic shield up. I want something not hot, but cold and fruity. Surprising. I'm supporting my company today. You know what I'm saying? Find the Starbucks, go in, order a surprise drink. We own Starbucks stocks. We doing business with our investments, all right? This is called recon. This is probably a tax write-off technically, because we're doing recon, researching our investments right now. Baristas all got face masks on, check. We went through the drive-through, check. Got the online mobile pickup, check. Boom, there it is. Stock price today, we up $1.69. We got 20 contracts, which technically means we're controlling about 2,000 shares, all right? People in here studying. Shh, we want them to sit down, order some more drinks. Man got 2 cups, she got 3 cups. That's what I'm talking about. There's a saying in this business, the people who come in can wait, because if they couldn't, then they would have drove through. So. Boom, the goods are here. We came, we saw, we conquered. We checked on our investment, people coming in, getting their little lattes, ventis to go, everything running smooth, drive-through backed up. That's exactly what we want to see. Stock prices up today. We couldn't feel better about our investment. So we're about to enjoy these. What's the takeaway from this? Go check on your investments. You might find one of your stores is down. This is Jason Bro. I'm signing off. What am I saying? Check on your investments, people. Don't just be a consumer, be an investor in the places that you do business with.
'Cause baby, I didn't forget you.
I don't even know what that is. Good. I like it.
I didn't
Grande blend strawberry lemonade. How about yours? You got